Okay, we got some nice bikes here. Look at what I noticed. Look at the kickstand. Looks like a dragon leg, but it kind of reminds me of a chicken leg. Or eagle leg. Yeah. Eagle sounds better. It's a lot better. Of course, it's gonna be big like that, right? So, yeah. It's got feathers on it too. Well, cast feathers. So I just came from this USO concert, and it's Gary Sinise and the Lieutenant Gary band. So yeah, so that's the deal. Boy, I had never been that up close to a concert like that, like way up in front. Anybody could just walk in front and get their face in there, so kind of nice, really. And I thought I was just going to stay there just for like half an hour. I ended up staying like an hour and a half, maybe longer. What time is it? Geez, almost nearly 2 hours. So, gosh, just amazing. I believe how amazing that they were. Maybe I'll forego the breakfast here. Yeah, no, maybe I'll forego the breakfast. I'll just go here. Actually, I know this road. I'd like to go past this road. Yeah. I'm actually familiar with this area. I haven't been here in a long time, and what's really nice about this place is, well, it's a base, and the nice thing is, there's no crazy stuff going on here. You know, you don't have. I mean, if your bike broke down here, you wouldn't have to worry about a thing. Worry about getting screwed or anything. Wait, which way is this? I need to go this way. Yeah. So I gotta watch my speed. I gotta make sure I don't speed around here. I'm gonna get in serious trouble. It's really a fantastic base. There's not going to be much commentary on this one. I think it's going to be more of a visual enjoyment. You know, for me, I'm just taking it all in. It's been a while since I've been here. So this is gonna be just like a little treat, you know, kind of feeling nostalgic since I haven't been here in a while. Okay. Aircraft runway. Absolutely no stopping between gates. Yay! Is there any aircraft? No helicopters, no aircraft. Yay! Yep. Always wanted to ride on a runway. I'd probably get tagged seriously by the police if I took off in left or right, so I better just go like I should be going. Sumner Road, okay. Interesting. Ah, very interesting, very peaceful. Nice peaceful road here. You know, Hawaii has just so few roads, and to go on a road that you usually don't go is kind of a treat, even though there's nothing really like super special about it. But just the idea that, you know, just to go on a different road, it's almost like having eggs cooked all the time, but now you're having it a little differently. You know, this road isn't really that special, but just to ride a different road, it gets a little variety into it, you know. Boy. Caution, aircraft crossing. Another runway. Okay. Okay. Cross this runway. Cabanas at Kaneohe Bay. Kaneohe Bay Cabanas. You know, I know some of the guys that have access, and they come here and it's great because, I mean, how many people actually do fishing here, you know? I mean, you need access before you can go fishing. Oh, now they've restricted it. Okay. So now they've blocked it off. It used to be where people would come here and just go fishing. They would have access. And now they've totally blocked it off. Okay, well, they used to be able to come here to go fishing on that pier. And the nice thing again is nobody goes fishing here, so the waters are still very heavily, the waters are populated, you know. It's nice having fish, you know. It's not fished to death or outfished, overfished. Okie doke. Okay, that's my little tour. I'm going to take a photo of this right here. Aircraft crossing.